What's up YouTube? Today we got a beard tutorial on how to do Jason Momoa's beard, aka Aquaman, so subscribe, like, and stay tuned. Alright, so my boy Dominic here wants his beard to look like Jason Momoa's, so we're going to start working on it and shaping it and growing it into the shape it needs to look like his. First, I'm just going to comb out the hair, comb out the beard, get it all untangled. We're going to take our 1.5 guard, and I'm just going to take down the sides right now just to clean it up. We are just blending it into the length of the beard. We're not trying to cut it down too short or do any tapers or fade or anything like that, because that's not the style Jason Momoa does. We're trying to keep it long, not too short on the sides. Now we're just going to go ahead and edge him up a little bit. We're kind of bringing his line back up from previously to match more of the way he does his beard, because his cheek lines are a little bit high. Jason Momoa's beard is a little bit patchy, but for my client here, we used to bring his line down lower just to help grow it in. So we're going to raise that line up a little bit higher, and we're just going to go edge up the back, keep it nice and natural, going with the natural flow. Next, we're going to go ahead and straight razor everything, get it nice and tight. Keep the structure of the beard nice and high and coming more angular to fit the flow of the beard, because Aquaman, his beard is it's very heavy in the middle and very nice and tight back in near his jaw area, and you'll see how we do that later on. Alright, move on to the beard. I'm going to go ahead and take my gamma heat stroke right here, and I'm just going to comb out his beard, make sure it's all detangled and flowing to its full potential before I go ahead and do the shaping. Since his beard was pushed down a little bit from previously and we're trying to grow it back out, I'm going to go ahead and use a beard pencil filler, and I'm going to go ahead and just fill in that area just to give some fullness to the beard, and so you can really see the structure of the beard as it will be when it fully grows back out. Links will be down below as well if you are interested in any of the products that I've been using in this video. Alright, so now moving on to the beard shaping. I'm taking it right below his jawline and angling it down into the bulk of the beard to give that nice and tight look around his jaw, but giving that longness that Jason Momoa has in his beard. And we're going to shape right into that length. We're not going to really take any length from the middle because we still need that to grow, and we still need his cheeks to grow as well. And what you do to one side, you do to the other as well. Try to replicate as much as possible, keeping the same angles and length on both sides. Now we're just doing some final touch-ups, but as you can see, that chin area still needs to grow a lot longer to get that long look that Jason has it with his beard. But now we're gonna apply some beard balm to the beard just to get it, nice shine to it, moisturize it. And I'm gonna put some in the mustache just to give a nice loose look, but pulling away from his mouth so it doesn't get stuck in there. But that's pretty much gonna be the look. We're gonna do some final details, tighten everything up, make sure it's all looking good. But as you can see, the chin area is nice and tight, and then comes long in his chin on how Jason Momoa does in the Aquaman. YouTube, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hope you guys liked it, learned something new. If you guys want to see the transformation of his beard later on as it grows out, go ahead and comment down below. But that's how you do Jason Momoa's beard. Catch you guys in the next one.